If you'd like to see how I added signed vinyl to this Dollar Tree mirror and created a lovely gift for a teacher, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I'm going to be adding some like motivational little messages or phrases onto these mirrors. And these are going to be some gifts for some teachers at my daughter's school. So these are just some Dollar Tree mirrors. And I'm just going to wipe them off with some alcohol. I've already cut out what the mirrors are going to say. I cut the same messages or similar messages with 3 different colors so that I can have 3 or 4 colors. We'll see what fits, but these are 8x10 mirrors. So we'll see what fits on there. So my daughter kept telling me about a party she was going to at school. And she told me, she showed me the flyer and it said that it was 2 of the teachers' birthdays. So I was like, okay, well, do you want to send like a little gift? And this is something that I, thought of. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these out as straight as possible. And I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut these out. So it says she's beautiful, she's loyal, she's intelligent, she's a teacher. I could have spaced that a teacher part out a little bit better. It is spaced out, but I guess because I capitalized the A, but whatever. That's what it says. Another color I did to switch it up just slightly. It says she's lovely, she's brilliant, she's intelligent, she's a teacher. So I'm just gonna
Okay, first things first, I'm wiping the mirror off with alcohol. Now I'm just kind of lining up the words to see how I want them to go and space them based on the colors. So I'm adding the vinyl, and for me, I stand up and look down at the mirror just to kind of make sure that everything is nice and straight. Then I take an old gift card or just some card of some sort and just really firmly smooth it down. Now I'm just going to keep on adding each line of the words. One of the mirrors will just have enough room for 3, but the other 2 mirrors will have 4 phrases on them. This is very simple. This didn't take me long at all. Once you decide what you want the mirrors to say, maybe you could just write it down, then go to your cutter and cut it out. It's pretty simple from there. And if you don't have multiple color vinyl, you can just use all one color, and that would be great as well. I did try to cut this one in half to try to split up the she's a teacher and move it over a little bit. And I think I did create a little bit of space. Probably could have moved it over just a pinch more, but I think it looks better with the A not as close to the word teacher. Not only is this gift great for teachers, this will work nice for a principal, really anyone, because all you have to do is customize the wording to whatever the person occupation is or whoever the person is in your life. So I just think this is very versatile. Of course, the mirror was only $1. The vinyl is it's cheap because you can get a lot of cuts out of it and a lot of different projects out of it. So this is really nice. Towards the end, I am going to add a couple gems to it. That's completely optional, but I definitely felt like it needed something. Now this other mirror just has the 3, but I still think it came out really cute.
So they definitely need some bling. I'm just going to take some larger sized acrylic teardrop, acrylic water drop gems, and I'm just going to randomly add them, like maybe do 4 corners. I'm going to do something. So just go ahead and watch how I add these, you guys. And I'm going to use a wax pickup tool, and the glue that I'm going to use is going to be Liquid Fusion. I'm going to try not to add too much because once I press the stone down, I don't want it to like smudge through. So this is just going to be very random.
So I decided to add 4 acrylic gems to these mirrors. They're very pretty as is, but of course I love the bling, and I only did 4 because they're really large, and I think that was just enough.
So I just randomly added these gems in different directions, and that's what I'm going to do with the other two. But I'm going to make sure that they're all kind of similar. They have the same kind of color scheme. Some of the words are slightly different, but they're going to have different gems on them. I'm going to make sure that that's different. So just in case they say, oh, you got one too, what does yours say? You know. But, you know, hopefully they'll be grateful.
Here is the final finished result of these Dollar Tree mirrors with positive phrases for these teachers at my daughter's school. And I really think these came out so adorable. Rhinestones just look so good on glass. It just does. On glass, on mirror. It's just really, really cute. And of course, if you have more time or you want to take it further, you can always add some type of diamond ribbon. Teachers are such wonderful people, and they have a special gift to be able to teach and to be passionate about what they do and to be around other people's children. So I really feel like they deserve nice gifts. So I made this just to honor a few teachers, and hopefully you find some value in this video as well. And I think it came out really pretty, you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. That would be great. And I did just recently start an Instagram for my YouTube channel. It is Life is a Whole Vibe, underscores in between each word. And that's on Instagram. So give that a follow if you like to. I'll be adding more content to my Instagram. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, crtechnicaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES. Hello to all of my subscribers. And if you're going to subscribe after watching this video, please make sure that you do hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted when I upload new videos to my channel. And be sure to check out my other playlists on this channel. You may see some other cool videos that are helpful to you or that you'll find interesting. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.